Let's have a look at this question. Here a multivariable function is given, that is x square plus y square. We need to find Laplacian of f. This particular operator is Laplace operator, that is defined as del square f, that is equals to dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square, as it is a multivariable function that it only depends on two variables. So we have obtained the partial derivatives of given function with respect to two variables. If we have three variables, then we need to add one more term, that is dou square f by dou z square. Now let's find each term, that is dou square f by dou x square, which yields dou by dou x times dou by dou x of x square plus y square. When we are obtaining partial derivative of given function with respect to x, we need to treat all other variables as constants. So here y is a constant. Now let's find the derivative. So the derivative of x square is 2x. So and y is constant, so derivative of constant is 0. Then dou by dou x of, we will have derivative of x square, that is 2x. And again differentiating this 2x with respect to x, that is 2. Similarly, dou square f by dou y square, we will have dou by dou y, then dou by dou y of x square plus y square. Now we are differentiating with respect to y, so we have to treat y as variable and x as the constant. So derivative of x square is 0 now, as x is constant, and derivative of y square is dou by dou y of 2y, because derivative of y square is 2y, and again differentiating the 2y with respect to y is 2. So del square f is equals to 2 plus 2, that is equals to 4. The correct answer is option A, 4.